How to fix Messenger couldn't send message problem. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So once you are in your chat box in the Messenger, you have to click on this hamburger icon on the top left corner, and you have to simply go for the settings. Once you are in settings, you have to scroll all the way to this report technical problem, or you can also go for the help. So for now we are going for the help center. Once you are here, you have to click on this hamburger icon on the top right. Now go for the account management. Once you are here, go for the fix a problem. Once you have entered here, you have to scroll down to the limited to sending messages on Messenger, and now go for this was this helpful. Simply click on the no and go for the other, and now you have to simply type that you cannot send message and or the messages are limited on your Messenger. Once you have done, you have to click on the submit and Messenger will resolve your issue. So that's how basically you can fix Messenger couldn't send message problem.